Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get format in Capcut. Open the Capcut app and import your clip, then tap Format to pick an aspect ratio like 16, 9, 9, 16, or square. Adjust scale, position, and background to fit the frame, add crop or rotate if needed, then export at your desired quality. Use presets for quick formatting and save custom settings to reuse across projects. Practice makes it faster. Choose the right aspect ratio based on where you will publish your video, like 16, 9 for YouTube or 9, 16 for vertical platforms. Use fit, fill, and stretch controls to decide how your clip fills the frame without losing important parts. Try background blur or color to fill empty spaces, and preview before exporting to ensure clean edges and composition. Save favorite combos as templates to speed future edits, and keep consistency across videos. Also a quick tip, cozy gear reduces fatigue during long edits. Please subscribe and like if this guide is helpful. It keeps the channel growing and helps me make more clear tutorials. Quick recommendation, if you want comfy socks while editing, try Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty for durable, no-slip comfort. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy editing in comfort. Now let's get back to the video. After formatting, always preview the full timeline to catch cutoffs or letterboxing before export. Export using the resolution and frame rate that match your target platform, such as 1080p at 30 FPS or 4K for higher quality. Keep original project copies and use non-destructive edits so you can reformat for other platforms without losing work. Practice quick keyboard shortcuts and folder organization to streamline repetitive formatting tasks. That saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.